We are coming toward the staging of embryo. Quran gave the description of various embryonic stages in the womb of mother 1400 years before, and it is an established scientific fact, and there is no dispute on it, that the staging of human embryo was not discussed in scientific knowledge by any scientist in the whole world till 15th century. The issue of staging of human embryo was not discussed till 15th century. Chick embryo and embryo of other things were discussed. So I would like to quote Dr. Keith Moore. Says the first known illustration of a fetus in the uterus was drawn by Leonardo da Vinci in the 15th century. The first known illustration in 15th century. And Professor Moore says the realization that the human embryo develops in stages, was not discussed and illustrated until the 15th century. And he further states, after the microscope was discovered in the 17th century by Leeuwenhoek, descriptions were made of the early stages of the chick embryo. The staging of human embryos was not described until the 20th century. Streeter in 1941 developed the first system of staging of human embryo. In 1941, Streeter, he established a scientific system of staging human embryo in the womb of mother. In 1941, he was the first man who discovered this system and introduced, and it has now. So in the light of this historical fact, we would like to have a study of Holy Quran. Holy Quran, which was revealed 14 centuries before, says in Surah Al-Mu'minun, Holy Quran gave a categorical description of the embryonic stages. That's why Professor Moore says, we will tell afterwards, that it was astonishing for me. He says, when I went through the Quranic declarations of embryonic stages, it was astonishing for me. And I thought that there was no other source of knowledge of staging of human embryo when we came to its knowledge, right in this century after 1941. How did Prophet of Islam in Quran declare these stages of human embryo in exact accuracy, without any error? And he says that there was no answer to me except that this was divinely revealed knowledge on Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Quran states, so I would rather say the Quran is the founder of the knowledge of staging of human embryo in the womb of mother. Quran says, ثُمَّ جَعَلْنَاهُ نُطْفَةً فِي قَرَارٍ مَكِينٍ. And then we made him nutfa, the zygote, in a secured place.